Hi, I'm an old guy and I do maths. Our problem today is that we have a circle, which I will attempt to draw, however badly. That is our circle. And what we know about this circle is that the circumference is 75 centimeters. We are asked to find the area of this circle. Now, area is going to equal pi r squared. What we know is that circumference is 2 pi r. At the moment, what we don't know, apart from the area, is what the radius of this thing is. But we can work that out. So, let's just do a little bit of work down here. C, which is equal to 75, is also equal to 2 pi r. So 2 pi r is equal to 75. Therefore, r is equal to 75 divided by 2 pi. Well, let's get a reasonable approximation for that on a calculator. Just so that we've got a figure to deal with. So 75 divided by 2 pi. There we are. I hope you can see that. That's pretty close to 12, and we'll just keep the number 12 in mind. I'm going to be using this number with all its decimals, but we'll either call it 12 or 11.94 just to have something in mind as we work. Okay, so we know that the area is going to equal pi times 75 over 2 pi squared. So let's work out this number. And we're going to do that on the basis of this number here. So let's raise that to the power of 2. And we get this number, 142.48 and some change. Again, I'm just going to continue working on the calculator with this number, but we could call that very, very close to 142, or if we're still working with our approximation of this, we could say that if this we approximate to 12, we could approximate this to 144. Of course, what happens then is that you run the risk of increasingly vague and inaccurate numbers. So we'll pretend we're working with exact values, but in fact we'll work with the values on the calculator. So what we have to do now is, as we have worked out what this is, we have to multiply it by pi, and that will give us the area of this circle. That's all there is to it. So 142.4829145 times pi gives us 447.6232774, which to two decimal places we will say 447.62 centimeters squared. That is our answer, and that is how we get it. Now, in a previous video that I did on this, I was a little vague about how I got through this part of the working. So this is a remake of that that video, and I'd like to thank the person who pointed out the fact that basically what I did appeared not to make a great deal of sense. I was certainly confident about my answer. This is indeed the answer to this problem, but I could have done the working a little bit better. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.